Hi guys and welcome back. I know everybody is wondering, will Bitcoin finally break here into higher levels, or is this just a massive fake out that we are experiencing here right now? And I will show you what I believe is going to happen here in the charts. So definitely stick around here until the end and make sure that you are subscribed and activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates when I actually do them here. And let's get here directly into the charts, guys. So we had here this W formation that has here initially not played out because we had here the lower low, we had here the higher low, and normally we should have then moved here up to this resistance line. But instead we went sideways, had then a move lower, and now coming back up here. So this is actually not that uncommon for the Bitcoin price to do, especially in a W formation. I have seen this many times before where we create a lower low and then we create here the middle of the W, and then the price goes sideways and creates then actually another lower low and then completes the W pattern. So this is quite common for Bitcoin to do, especially on higher time frames, to basically shake out the last hands that are holding strong before we are reversing here to the upside. So here on the 4-hourly chart, also something else is making me here a little bit more bullish, and that is the small sideways move here, consolidation on the 4-hourly chart. When we're looking here on the stochastic RSI, there we're actually here in overbought territory right now. But the price action is still going sideways and not correcting to the downside as it normally should when we are in these regions. I actually opened a new long position. So right now my long position is here slightly in a loss, just 1%. So I expect this to go up here in the immediate short term. And I will show you now why I believe that is. And I believe that this is the case because here of the 30 minutes chart. So here on the 30 minutes chart, we see that after this pump here to the upside, Bitcoin started to consolidate and bounce here up and down, and basically creating lower highs along this downward sloping resistance line, where we are really close to a breakout here, and an upward sloping support line. So where we also were respecting the support line with creating higher lows along this line here. And why I opened this trade was because of the stochastic RSI down here. So I opened this trade because I saw here at that point, actually it was here in that area where I saw this crossover from the blue line over the red line, so which was signaling a buy signal. That was the reason why I opened this long position at $40,800 approximately. So it was here, it was here in these two candles where I opened this. And my stop loss is kinda here at $40,300. So if I lose this trade, it will be around $800 that I lose, but I can win $2,400 because my take profit point is at like $41,600 approximately. So this is a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio, where I'm taking the risk that if I get stopped out, I lose $800. If I win, I make $2,400. So that is a good trade to take here right now, in my opinion. So the only thing that I lose this trade is if the price starts to fall out of this red resistance block here that the Bitcoin price is right now trading in once again. And we have to stay here in this red resistance block here and start to trend here higher. Obviously to hit my target and to move here also in direction of $50,000 in the immediate short term. But I also want to show you why I believe that we are not that far away from this to happen. On the daily chart, on a stochastic RSI, we can clearly see that we are pointing here to the upside, which shows a momentum shift that we should go here in the immediate short term to the upside. We were also expecting here once again with a fake out, exactly as I had called it, to the downside, this upward sloping support here from this ascending channel or bear flag, however you want to call this, and were not completing the technical target of $32,000. Also what I had caught that this is highly unlikely to happen. So yeah, so I was here once again absolutely right that we saw here just a fake out to the downside with this wick, because I had told you guys that we have seen this here, over here, and that I would expect something similar over here again. So another reason why I believe that we are in the short term going back to the upside is also when we're looking here once again at the MACD. The MACD is getting really close to get here a bullish crossover where the blue line is getting over the red line, and we are starting to print here green candles. So, and that will also lead to the price to move here into higher levels, especially once we are breaking $41,500, which is right now the closest resistance for the Bitcoin price that we need to break so that we can move here into higher levels. Guys, and if you also want to trade, then make sure that you go here under my video. You can still claim here $8,160 in bonuses, $4,060 on BYBIT with my specific link. And if you are setting limit orders, then you don't pay any fees for the next 30 days, guys. So definitely take advantage of that. So otherwise on Phemex, you still get $4,100 also with my specific link. Guys, that's it actually for today's episode here. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. I wanted to keep it today really short and juicy for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, watch my BYBIT tutorial if you haven't yet, and I will see you again tomorrow.